Stop your scroll if you think contour and bronzer are the same thing. Let's have a little chat about why they're not. Contour is meant to create shadows. See the shadow under my chin? We want to create a shadow similar to that color. These colors generally are more cooler toned or ashier toned. We are working in areas that we want to create dimension and recede back in space. So sucking this cheekbone in, tucking this forehead back, sucking this nose in, and maybe bringing the neck in a little bit too. The main areas we contour are under the cheeks, around the forehead, under the jawline. If you want to get more detailed, you can do the nose, under the lip, or even do your eyes. This side of my face is contoured, this side is not, so you can really see the definition that plays in. This side of my face, I'll do bronzer only so you can see the difference. So bronzer is meant to emulate the rays of the sun hitting your face. So imagine the sun's coming down and hitting the high points of your face. So bronzer is adding color to your face. It's not adding definition. So here's the bronzer side and here's the contoured side. So contour is going to add those realistic shadows, and then bronzer is just adding in color. So if I'm adding bronzer and contour together, you're getting the best of both worlds. So just bronzer side, this is the combination side. See how that just looks way more put together. And of course, everything fits into my makeup palette, so I have my whole face in one spot. If you want to get matched for a makeup palette just like this, just comment match below and I will send you some details, and make sure to follow me for more makeup tips.